Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about the two products that have been saving my skin from acne and maskne. I have talked about one of these products before and I'll just sort of reintroduce you to it. This is the 2% salicylic acid face serum for active acne from the Dermaco. I have a very oily skin type. In terms of active ingredients that work for acne, for me especially, the product has to have some amount of salicylic acid in it. So this one contains salicylic acid, witch hazel and willow bark. And it can be used day and night. I, however, use this only at night because during the day your skin is more susceptible to sun damage because the sun's out. I don't really like to wear active skincare throughout the day. I would usually put something like this at night. Salicylic acid, as you might know by now, is an oil soluble beta hydroxy acid, also known as a BHA, which basically enters your pores and clears all the gunk out for you. So it prevents any sort of building up of any skin debris, excess sebum, etc. So that's how it helps to keep acne away. Ever since we're supposed to be wearing masks, a lot of people have started experiencing maskne as well. This product also kind of helps to keep any skin congestion at bay because when you talk about acne, it's not just like an active breakout that you're talking about. It's usually also under the skin bumps and blackheads and stuff like that. I have found that salicylic acid also works in that aspect for me. It helps to clear out any sort of congestion, especially on my chin and like jawline area, because that's where I get it the most. And then the second product that I have today is the 2% salicylic acid spot treatment gel. Now this is a newer product for me. I've been using it for about a week or 10 days and I'm completely blown away. So first of all, let me just tell you what it is. It basically contains 2% salicylic acid and 3% sulfur. The salicylic acid of course helps to clear out the pores, and the other ingredient that it has is the 3% sulfur, which helps to dry out the surface of an active breakout and basically take out any sort of excess sebum that it might be holding underneath. So what you're supposed to do with this is, on clean skin, like after you wash your face, you're supposed to take a very small amount and just dot it wherever you have like an active breakout. Like for instance, today I had this one pimple here. I'm not sure if you can see. As soon as I woke up, I noticed it. So I washed my face and then I took a very small amount of it and just put like a dot of product here. And even within like 2 hours, it fastens the process of healing the breakout. The pimple is already gone, but there's a little bit of redness left here. So I am going to be using it again tonight, and by tomorrow I'm sure it'll get rid of most of the inflammation and redness. So while we're talking about this, I thought I'll just quickly show you how to apply this also. Like I mentioned, you have to take a very little amount, this much, and the breakout that I want to put it on is also smaller. Probably if it was like a bigger zit, I would use a little bit more product, but I think this much is fine. I have an active one right here, and this is literally what you're supposed to do. And the thing about the consistency of this product is, if you leave it on for like 20-25 minutes before you actually go to bed, it kind of dries also. Like something like this, if you wear and just immediately go to bed, it might rub off on your sheets or your pillow or something. But if you apply it like 20-25 minutes before you're actually supposed to go to bed, it won't ruin anything like that because it actually dries. One other thing I wanted to mention is that the Dermaco is actually offering a masterclass. I think it's first of its kind in India. It's a masterclass on skincare actives and like the science behind active ingredients and how they work. It's free of cost, so if you want to sign up, you can just click the link in my description. All you have to do is sign up, and for any other information that you might want, you can just go directly to their website. I've been using this for about a week to 10 days and I am completely blown away because it takes maybe 3 days for an active breakout to completely heal. And this is coming from someone whose active breakouts take about a week to sort of mature and then fade away. This does that in maybe 2 to 3 days. I am very, very impressed. So I've been using it on any active breakouts that I get, usually which tends to be around the mask area. I get a lot of them around my like jawline area and stuff and around my chin, and I really like using it on those areas because those pimples, they tend to be smaller, but they're very painful, and this heals them in like 2 days sometimes. And the thing about this product is the brand is actually very confident about how this works and how effective this is in terms of healing acne. That they're actually putting anyone who wishes to try this product up to a challenge. They recommend that you use it every single day on like a particular breakout for 7 days. And if you don't notice like a considerable reduction in the acne itself and inflammation and stuff like that, they'll give you your money back. So it's like the 7-day money back challenge. I would actually recommend that you use it if you deal with like a lot of active breakouts, like active acne on the daily, because I have gone through that phase and I know it sucks. But if I knew about something like this, I would definitely be using this kind of a product, but now you do. I'm not sure if you can see this scarring here. I did put on makeup, but it's still kind of visible. This was a huge under the skin pimple and it was very painful. I used this 3 nights in a row on this and it just flattened out completely. It did leave a scar, which I'm working on. I'll treat this with other things. But I was very surprised because something like this I usually get on my chin as well, and those take about a week to fully like go away and also stop hurting, because these ones, the big like under the skin ones, really hurt, and it got rid of it in like 3 days. So I'm very impressed. If you want to try any of these products, you can go to the Dermaco website, which is thedermaco.com, and you can use my code, which is Sharma20, to get 20% off on your purchase. The code does not work on bundles and combos because they're usually already at discounted prices. So on individual products, you can definitely use my code. And the Dermaco products are also available on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart. So you can check the products out there as well. And before I sign out, I will definitely like to reiterate the fact that with any sort of active skincare that you're using, you definitely should follow it up with sunscreen the day after. Both of these products I would recommend using at night. So this all over the face and this on like a specific area. And the next day when you wash your face, please make sure that you're wearing sunscreen, because this sort of stuff makes your skin very vulnerable to sun damage. And even if you don't use any of this, you should be using sunscreen ideally. But with this, definitely I would advise highly to use sunscreen. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.